Alright guys, let's say we're in the key of A flat and we want to get to the 6. So what could we do? There are many passing chords that people use. We know we could do that, we could do many things. But what I'm going to show you is, so let's say you have a song, never would have made it, never would have made it. Could do that. So what is this dude? Basically a 7-3-6. But what we're doing is, so this is pretty much the chord we're going to use, but we're playing it as an arpeggio. I may have omitted the A. So yes, we have this. So you shouldn't be complaining that this chord is too huge, because we're using our sustain pedal and we're sustaining and we're holding. We're playing it as an arpeggio. So remember, we're omitting the A. So this is the 7. Or maybe not, depending on the timing. I think I may have included the A. So, never would have made it. Yeah, so the A is included. So we have, so this is the 3. So we have this right here. So this is played as one chord, not an arpeggio. Never would have made it. Never would have made it. So this is still over the 3. So we have this right here. Many people may not be familiar with doing this, so you can do that, right? So that's how you get that smooth grace note. And that's a grace note sliding up. Most people might just do down, but you can also slide up. And you can resolve on the 6. You could do that, or you could do, whichever way you want to finger it, guys. As I mentioned in my last video, you use a fingering that works for you. I use what works for me, right? So we have, let's see, let's go this again. Never would have made it. Never would have made it. So you could do that, guys. So give this a shot. Give this a shot and let me know what you think. And guys, if you're still at the intermediate or the beginner level and you need a more structured path to improve, you can check out my inner circle in the link below, and let me help you get to that place that you want to get to, right? Let me help you eliminate the many years of trial and error. Let me show you the things you need to learn. So guys, until next time, keep on learning.